We're here today to rekey a Weslock Premier Essentials knob keylock. This knob keylock will be in the form of a Salem knob. We also have it in the form of a Hudson knob. Pictured in front of you is what you will need to rekey this. A Weslock keying kit, a new key, an existing key, and the lock itself and a pair of pliers. Now take the lock out of the box and separate the exterior from the interior. Now we will need to remove the pickle fork from the Weslock keying kit, and we'll use this side here and insert it into the side where it's spring loaded, and push against the spring and take the pliers and remove the locking stem. You might have to move the locking stem a little bit to get out of the spring loaded mechanism. Now we can remove the pickle fork and insert it with the prongs facing down into where the locking stem was. Push all the way down till you get resistance and push slightly against until the cylinder removes. Now we will take the pickle fork again and remove the keep ring here from the back side of the cylinder core. Once that is removed, we can take the key and insert it into the cylinder assembly. And now we will take our plastic plug follower with the straight edge and push against the back of the cylinder core, keeping pressure on both sides, and remove the cylinder core from the cylinder assembly. Now you can discard of the cylinder key and the pins. Now take the new key that you want to key it to, engage the key from bow to tip, and write down the key number on a piece of paper. Now we can rekey the cylinder core. Place the new key into the cylinder core and put the appropriate pins in the holes that you wrote down, making sure the rounded side is down. Once you're done with this, the pin should be flush to the top of the cylinder core. Now we can reinsert the core with the new key inside the cylinder assembly. Push the core back into the cylinder assembly, making sure to keep pressure on both sides. Once it is in, twist it to make sure it functions correctly. Now remove the key by pressing against the cylinder core and backing out on the key. Once that is removed, we can put the keep ring back on the back side of the cylinder core. It is spring loaded, so once you get past halfway, it should pop into place. Once you have done that, we can reinsert the key and make sure everything functions correctly. Now we can reinstall the cylinder assembly back into the knob. It is spring loaded, it should just pop right in. Now we can put the locking stem back in there. And once we have put the locking stem back in there, you can take the lock and turn it to make sure it functions and check for if it's locked. And check the key once again to make sure it unlocks and locks correctly. And this is how you rekey a 240 knob in the Premier Essentials collection. If you have any questions, email warranty@weslock.com or call 918-294-3888.